We have Patriot aircraft. We're located in Bibb County, Alabama at the Bibb County Airport. And our company builds the Super Patriot and also what we call the Recruit. And then we also do restoration on other aircraft as well. This is the Super Patriot. This particular one is the Super Patriot Mk.II. You know, when we designed the airplane, because we'd built and restored many other airplanes, our whole goal was to try to incorporate things we had learned. You know, Super Cubs have been around for 70 plus years now. It's the most copied and most rebuilt and still flying airplane today. Super Cubs to me is the best flying airplane ever built. So we built our airplane based on that basic design. We just put modern building twist on it and changed things that we thought was necessary to make it an even better airplane than it already is. The big thing is just thinking outside the box. We looked at something and said, okay, let's go to the engineers and see if it'll withstand what we want it to do. And we got it. I mean, this is it. I mean, the Mk.II has the cargo capacity, it has the light wing loading. It was important, all those little things, the pilot comfort, the mechanic comfort, working on stuff, every bit of that knowledge and every bit of that idea was what we tried to achieve. And so everything that we did was based on those two things. We've done a lot of things since the Mk.I to the Mk.II, and it's all because the feedback from our customers. And that's another thing I like about experimental aircraft. And what better place to be with an experimental aircraft at EAA? And that's what this airplane is all about. It's about the things that we can do and change and work with. So we're real proud of that ability to work with people and say, hey, what do you want? What is your mission? What do you want it to do? And this is what we can do. The Mk.II is just, you see the crowd's been around it, and we weren't even open this morning and they were already on top of it. And the paint job, again, we did it for Trevor Aldridge, the guy that owns the airplane, who's our marketing guy. This is based on the Fly Oz in the Ozark Mountains, and probably the most difficult paint job I've ever done in my life. But it's based on Birds Adventure Center, and this is it has the Mulberry River on it, and all the topographic lines, and even the road for Birds Adventure Center. When I take somebody up for a test flight, I say, okay, we're going to pull the power back, to 22 inches. I said, we're going to trim the airplane. Pull it back to 19 inches, trim the airplane. Pull it back to 15 inches, trim the airplane. And before you know it, we're down at 40, 45 miles an hour, and we're not even stalling, we're still flying. I have them open the windows and doors, because all our windows and doors can be opened up, and they have special latches on them so that you can fly with them open at any speed. And so it's really, from a pilot standpoint and a passenger standpoint, which is more important, you just feel like you're part of nature. You can be 200, 300 foot, over top of trees, 500 foot, going down a river, and you're not having to go, really fast. You're just cruising. We're real proud of what we've done here.